The standard deviation and the pressure required in an open A spring type value is sigma equals 0.5. The quality control manager feels that the pressure variability has increased. State the hypothesis test to be conducted. So again, we want to state our null, so H sub 0 or H naught, and then colon, and then we're looking at standard deviation is equal to 0.5, so sigma equals 0.5. And our alternative, H sub 1 colon sigma, and then it says that he feels that it is increased, so it's greater than 0.5. So here we're testing the population standard deviation, and we're working the right tail test. So we're testing the population standard deviation, and we're working with a right-tailed test. So B, we want to know which of the following is a type 1 error. So remember, type 1 error is when we reject the null, but the null is true. So, kind of looking at our answers, we know that A is incorrect because it says it fails to reject, and then the null is true, so that's when the true pressure variability, it should be the true pressure variability, so none of these are correct, but the true pressure variability is 0.5. So now we have a correct answer. Our correct answer here is going to be C. So part C, we want to know which of the following is type 2 error. So this is when we fail. Let's rewrite that. So this is when we fail to reject HO, but H1 is true. So we fail to reject the null, but the alternative is true. So we fail to reject, so we know B is wrong, and the alternative is true. Oh, so actually C was correct without this, right? So H1 is true, so that's when the true pressure variability is greater than 0.5, right? So this is saying the manager rejects the hypothesis that the pressure variability is 0.5 when it's the true pressure variability. So that was fine without that. All right.